All AC parts work together to keep your home cool, but those fins on the coil, they are like the unsung heroes that help spread out heat and make sure your system soaks up the warm air properly. So, check this out. The fins on your AC coil are those thin metal strips you see packed tightly around the coils. Their main job is to spread out the heat from the refrigerant inside the coil to the outside air, or vice versa if it's a heat pump. Because they're flat and skinny, they give a ton of surface area for air to move over, which means heat gets transferred way faster. If those fins get bent or dirty, it totally messes with airflow, making your AC work harder and less efficient. You can straighten bent fins gently with a fin comb. Yeah, that's a thing you can buy online or at hardware stores. Also, cleaning them regularly with a soft brush or a garden hose helps keep everything running smooth. Don't use anything too harsh though, or you might damage them. Basically, those little fins are like your AC's way of breathing out heat, so keeping them clean and straight is key for saving energy and staying chill. One of the biggest mistakes people make with AC maintenance is ignoring the fins on the coil. First, crushed or bent fins block airflow and cause your system to overheat. Fix this by carefully straightening them with a fin comb. Second, dirty fins trap dirt and dust, reducing efficiency. Regularly clean them with a soft brush or water spray to keep things flowing. Third, using harsh chemicals or high-pressure washers on the fins can damage them, so stick to gentle cleaning methods to avoid costly repairs. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about AC repairs and maintenance. At the same time, it helps contractors connect with people who really need their skills, so everyone wins when it comes to keeping homes comfortable and cool.